Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Chrome on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to go. Once your PC is up and running, navigate to your Windows desktop and open the Google Chrome web browser. Give it a moment to launch completely before moving to the next step. Now that Chrome is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll notice a three-dot icon there, often called the menu button. Go ahead and click on it, and this will reveal a drop-down menu with several additional options. From this list of options, look for and click on Settings. This will take you into Chrome's main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your browser. Once you're on the settings page, take a look at the left-hand side menu. You'll see several categories listed vertically down the page. Find and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the tools you need to manage your browsing data, cookies, and security preferences. It's essentially the control center for keeping your browser clean and your information protected. After clicking on Privacy and Security, you'll see several options appear in the main area of the page. Look for the option that says Delete Browsing Data and click on it. This is the feature that allows you to remove various types of stored information from your browser, including your cache. Clicking this option will open a new window with multiple checkboxes and data types you can choose to delete. In the window that appears, you'll see different types of browsing data you can remove. For clearing your cache specifically, find and click on the checkbox next to Cached Images and Files. This checkbox selection tells Chrome exactly what data you want to remove. Cached images and files are temporary files stored on your computer to help websites load faster, but over time they can build up and actually slow things down or cause display issues. Finally, once you've selected the Cached Images and Files checkbox, click on the Delete Data button at the bottom of the window. Chrome will now begin clearing all the cached images and files from your browser. Depending on how much data has accumulated, this might take a few seconds to complete. Once the process finishes, your Chrome cache will be completely cleared, which can help improve browser performance and resolve loading issues with websites. And that's it! You've successfully cleared the cache on Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.